স্পিকিং স্পিড বাড়ানোর অসাধারণ এক টেকনিক হচ্ছে কন্ট্রাকশনের ব্যবহার। হ্যাভ টু, হ্যাভ টা, I have to go, I have to go, they have to wait, they have to wait, has to, has to, she has to come, she has to come, he has to work, he has to work, a lot of, a lot of, I have a lot of work to do, I have a lot of work to do. She has a lot of jewelries. She has a lot of jewelries. Cup of, cuppa. Give me a cup of coffee. Give me a cup of coffee. They offered me a cup of tea. They offered me a cup of tea. Give me, give me. Give me a glass of water. Give me a glass of water. Give me a chance. Give me a chance. Well, এই কন্ট্রাকশনগুলো আপনার কথার মধ্যে ব্যবহার করুন এবং কথার স্পিড বাড়ান।